Hello everyone, welcome to Next Pixel. Today I want to share or I want to start this video with a small story. Like when I joined engineering in my first year, I was exactly like many of you. I want to apply for internships. I want to join student communities. I want to build my profile. But there was one problem. So the problem is that I didn't know how to create resume. Like almost everyone, I opened Microsoft Word and very beautiful template. Picked the templates contains very lots of icons. So after selecting that and typing manually about me, I thought that is okay, and it looks very much beautiful. But like when the time came to apply for internships or clubs, first application, second application, 5 to 10 application passed, but there was no any reply, no any even rejections, only was the silence. But later I learned something that completely changed my perspective. Before a recruiter ever seen your resume has to talk with a machine that is called ATS, Application Tracking System. If your resume can't communicate properly with that system, so your application may even will not reach to a recruiter. So trust me, I wish someone had explained this before joining my college or during my first year. I would have got my first internship got even very earlier. If you are first year in your college or second year or maybe in any year, and if you are really preparing for a placement or even looking for a remote job, so this video is for you. Today we will build your professional ATS friendly resume using AI and obviously using a LaTeX code. So let's get started. We have divided into two parts. Like first, when someone new, like for a first year student who didn't know what is resume or how to create it for the first time. So first time how they can create. So first we will go through that. After that, how to customize the existing resume for a job profile before applying for a internship or a permanent job. First, if you have a LinkedIn account where you have mentioned the thing is, in today's era, your network is your net worth, and how you will gain the network through the visibility. So whatever you are doing through your engineering journey or anything, just put it on LinkedIn or any other platform so that people get to know about you, and visibility is more important. When I came here, so I start working on my LinkedIn. So here you can see in my LinkedIn I have mentioned all these things, created all this section. This about section is very important section. Then all the poster section, then the experience sections also. If you've done your LinkedIn profile very well, you have an advantage to create resume also. Here you can see projects also mentioned or recommendation I got from industry people, the awards and honors, the certificates, the languages, all these things has been mentioned very well in my LinkedIn profile. If you have a very well LinkedIn profile or whatever you have done, you have posted on LinkedIn, so you have a particular very good database. On top of it, you can create your first time general resume about you. What you will do, that click on the three dots icon here and download your whole LinkedIn information or LinkedIn page via PDF. So as you can see here, the whole LinkedIn profile we have downloaded as a PDF. You can see here all the information related to my LinkedIn, what I have posted or what I have put, all these things mentioned here. So now what you do, like you have the database for creating the resume. Just copy this text, or you can go to ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini, and here you can paste this document. This is the prompt you can use. Write a LaTeX code. So this is the very important thing, that whatever if you are going to create a resume, so you have to create by using LaTeX code. Then I have mentioned that what are the sections can be. So all these things I have mentioned as per my role, as per my experience, but as per your journey, you also can customize it. So this is the prompt. Take a screenshot, or I will mention in the description. So please enter. So meanwhile, I want to show you one more thing, guys. For your convenience, what I have done that I have write from our Next Pixel YouTube channel. We have a LinkedIn page also. The name is same, Next Pixel. See here I have published an article, that unlimited guide how to build a killer ATS-friendly resume using AI and LaTeX code. So you can also go through this whole article. Here I have added so many images also, so that you can grab it very well. In this article also I have give lots of prompts based on your requirements. So here you can see all these prompts. So for auditing, what the prompt can be used: final ATS checklist, experience rewrite, summary action, skill showcase, experience section, freshers resume, ATS optimization, full resume creation, rewrite for an optimized resume. All this prompt has been given via this article, so you can also go through it. I have put the link of this article in the description, so you can go through it also. So it will be very beneficial for you guys. So this is the LaTeX code that has been given by ChatGPT. There are 10 best websites to creating ATS resume by using LaTeX code. So Overleaf is a very famous website. There are lots of sites available in the internet. Now I will go to Overleaf. So once you come into this Overleaf website, you have to log in via a Google account or by IEEE account or Google GitHub account, whatever. So after successfully login, you will have this kind of interface. So this is the task. So I have already created one more resume before. So that's why here the resume is there. So you can also create it by clicking here, new project. So after clicking here, this same information will be generated. So now what we will do is that just copy that we got from ChatGPT, compile here. So as you can see, so whatever this code give by ChatGPT, using that a good kind of resume has been generated. So you can also customize this code according to your, and then you go to go. So this is a general kind of resume you can create. For a first year student, I completely understand that won't have this kind of experience or this kind of technical skills. So this is the perfect kind of guide you can have. So next, now we will move on to the second part of this video. Here you can see there is a job internship opportunity at Salesforce. So this is the whole job description about that internship. We'll just copy the whole job description from here, go to Claude and paste this prompt. So this is the prompt to audit your resume against the job description. So first we will audit, extract the gaps between your existing resume and the job description. So then we will came to know what are the gaps you have. So after that, we will move on to the next step. So first, analysis the gap first. So just hit the button and it will analyze all the, as you can see, all the core problems and all these things has been displayed by Claude. Now we will tell Claude to create a new resume according to that JD, so that we can increase our ATS score against that JD. So guys, here I am instructing to Claude create my final LaTeX code for the perfect resume against this JD, and that covers all the missing gaps. And also I have added some more latest information about my experiences. Hit the button and then it will create the LaTeX code. In ATS there are 22 parameters we have to, or any AI have to meet to get the good result. So there are 22 parameters. You can search on the Google, so you will have a more clarity on that. And our resume can't be longer than the 3-page. So if you have a resume 1 page, so it is very good. If you have but try to make your resume within 2 pages. The rules is you can't exceed 3 pages. But what I am suggesting that you have done a lot and you can't, you are very confused what you have to remove or something. So you can keep it in 2 pages. But if you can keep your resume in 1 page, so it is very good actually. So this is the LaTeX code. As mentioned that what you have cut or not, that according to that JD. I am go to this Overleaf platform and pasted this whatever plot you gave me and compile it. Here how you can create all these things very perfectly. Downloaded this as a PDF and it will be downloaded. One more thing that very few companies ask to attach your images also in your resume. So how will you do it? So the process is almost same whatever you have done. So there you can just mention ChatGPT or plot that I have to attach an image. So what they will do that they will include this line to insert that image. So this is the file name of that image 2.jpg. Click on the file option. There you will have upload file option. Any images we can upload here. So after that whatever file name you have uploaded, just edit this line. So you can see I have some other pictures also. For I select this file 2.jpg and again same, then it will recompile and paste your images here. If this video helped you, please do check out the complete article on this topic I have written in the Next Pixel linking page. I have also shared all the AI prompts, ATS checklist, posters, additional resources in the community post. So both links are available in the description below. Do check it out. And if you know someone who is struggling to build a resume, share this video to them. It might help them to get their first internship or placement. And if you are new here, do consider subscribing this channel, the Next Pixel. We regularly share practical videos on AI, software development, cloud, career growth, open source, productivity, and also we review tech products and unboxing them, all explained in a very simple and productive and practical way. So thank you so much for watching. Until the next video, keep learning, keep building, stay safe, stay connected. I will see you in the next video. Thank you everyone.